Good morning, everyone. Here it is April. Yeah, mid-April. And because of all the, pandemic stuff, obviously, I'm detecting today, but without anybody. So it's me by myself, and I'm in a huge permission farm field, private permission, nobody around. So that's that out of the way. So I've been here before, found so many old coins here. Just found a couple the other day, just trying it out. I had a GoPro on. Problem with the GoPro is I've got the new 4K GoPro and my laptop can't process the video. So there's no video for that for the coins I found the other day. So we're back to 1080 for now, but there's lots of targets here. So hopefully I'll be back with some stuff to show you and sit back and enjoy. And happy detecting anybody who can get out. Yes, sir, boys. Silver. Oh, yeah. Queen Elizabeth silver. Switch cameras here. Alright, guys, I just switched cameras from the GoPro. Look at this. 1800 silver. Now, I can't tell if that's zooming in or not. And there's our girl on the back. See, that thing just sounded beautiful, though. Even look how deep that was. That was down. Oh no, I'm sorry, it was only in here. That was sounding beautiful. That is gorgeous. Beautiful going. I haven't got my glasses on, but beautiful. Okay, guys, so we're back home and just got a good look at this coin here. I haven't cleaned it, like barely at all. The only cleaning you've seen was in the video. But anyway, this coin is in mint shape. I look at the value. Probably, I'm going to say this coin is like $200 and up. Probably the $200, $300, maybe $400 range for this coin. It's in that great shape. I don't sell my coins, but if I was going to, at least I know the value. Anyway, let's have a look at it. So here is the front. We'll zoom in on her here. Second, get myself steady here. Too much focus. Sorry, guys. Oh, you want to be difficult? There she comes. Oh, yeah, there she is. Now look at that. The shape of that is just pristine. The crown has so much detail. Look at the detail on the crown. The numbers, the leaves. Beautiful detail. Now let's flip her over. And Queen Victoria is in just such great shape on this. See, there she is. Look at that. Look at the hair. Look at the detail in the hair. The lettering. And as you can see, there's just some dirt around the rims and stuff yet. I only finger wiped this. I never used any water. Nothing at all, and it came out that beautiful. There's a little rim. Looks like on the right there, a little dent maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, that coin is just beautiful for the age. Wow. The detail. Anyway, Flip over one more time. Yeah, there it is. I am happy with that. They don't usually come out that nice. No wear. That must have been a fresh drop that year, maybe. Alright, we're back with another. Kind of jumpy, but... Size. See it jump back and forth in size. Certainly I know how to go on. No iron. Gotta see what this one is. Probably trash where it's jumpy, but you know what? I had a few coins that were on their side that kind of sound like trash sometimes. They end up being large copper coins, and one coin I done one time in the 1700s sounded like trash, and it was brass. Not brass, but something. Yeah, it was brass. Right there. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Oh. A relic. It explains it, so come over here to my relic pile so far. We got coins out here yesterday. Today seems to be relic day. So we got this. And we got this axe, or not an axe, it's like a chisel. No handle that went to it. And then this old chisel as well. So lots of relics, but those things, that's why they fool you. Because they're big, so they signal in there, but they got the chop to it, so it's pretty much rust. So, but you gotta dig it, because you just never know. I've dug signals like that before and they've been large since. So, and a brass coin, like I said one time, I think it was brass, whatever it was made of. Anyway, relic so far. Alright, button was right there. Kind of similar signal, but it sounds a little bit more coinish. Kinda. Jumpy though. It's pinpointing right, so smallish. Car going by. I'm calling, I don't know what I'm calling, button. Again. Okay, we're gonna set your rate. There it is. It's a coin. And she fell down in there. Let's see, we can look here. Do we recognize anybody here? Except the light. Yeah, that's an older 1 cent. Is it American or is it Canadian? Let's have a look here. No, it's a Canadian because there's no reef. I don't think. Let me see. Let me get a finger on it. Some skin. Okay. Yeah, she's starting to come through there now. What is that? 1 cent, yeah. So there it comes with a nice skin rub. 1 cent. 19. Come on out of there. Here it comes. Oh, she's drying quick. 1 cent something, but let's see, it's King George on the back, or not King George, King Edward it would be, I think. 1920s, it's the 20s or 30s penny, I think. We'll see when we clean it up later. Yeah, you can see the 1 cent there now. Just can't quite get the date, but Anyway, it's a coin. Keep going. Alright, button was right there. Kind of similar signal, but it sounds a little bit more coinish. Kinda. Stuffy though. It's pinpointing right, so smallish. Car going by. I'm calling, I don't know what I'm calling. Button. Alright, again. Okay, we're gonna set your 8. There it is. It's a coin. And she fell down in there. Let's see, we can look here. Do we recognize anybody here? That's the light. Yeah, that's an older 1 cent. Is it American or is it Canadian? Let's have a look here. No, it's a Canadian because there's no reef. I don't think. Let me see. Let me get a finger on it. Some skin. Okay. Yeah, she's starting to come through there now. What is that? 1 cent, yeah. So there it comes with a nice skin rub. 1 cent. 19. Come on out of there. Here it comes. Oh, she's drying quick. 1 cent something, but let's see. It's King George on the back, or not King George, King Edward. It would be, I think. 1920s. It's the 20s or 30s penny, I think. We'll see when we clean it up later. Yeah, can see the 1 cent there now. Just can't quite get the date, but anyway, it's a coin. Keep going. Thumper. See. Iron audio one, no iron. Don't like how it pinpoints, but see what it is. Could be coin. Can't leave that signal. Right here. Absolutely. Turn this up. Oh, okay. Publication does make sense. Where is it? Pull it over here. No, that's not it. Oh, I guess it is. No. Looks like rust in there. Oh, I see the edge of it right there. Looks like the edge of a coin. It is the edge of a coin. Well, I was right. It was so. Oh no, it's a button. That's what makes sense. Oh, a nice button. Nice flat button. And it's still on there. It was like choppy. Usually those 70, 60 choppies are buttons. Yeah, awesome. There, get focused in there, and the lighting is bad there. Make it look better. Nothing fancy, but we got relics, we got buttons. I got coins the other day, but like I said, they have the right camera, so hopefully I didn't get all the coins already. All right, back with some bit. Back with more. Duh, tongue twisted. Back with more. All right, my oil lamp was over there. I didn't live dig this one because it was a squeaker. Look how deep down that is. Like, here's my pointer. It's beyond the pointer, and look, it flopped out. Mr. Green, you haven't even looked at it yet. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's gonna be. That is gonna be what? This side smooth, her. The other side's chunkier. Let's see. Oh, there's something weird on there. Oh yeah, something different that I don't reckon. Is that weird or is that just me? Let's see, get a better look over here. What do we got? Starting to come in there now. Man, that's a smoothie. 1 cent, yeah, I see the 1 cent coming through. So we know who's on the back, we'll have an idea. Oh, it's, so it's just King Georgie, or Edward. So not too old, 19 something. I think 02 to 17 maybe, I think it's the year for those. But I'll take that. I might get a date if we move around here a little bit. A little water, but she's smooth. Well, we got an ID anyway. And a coin, finally. Great. Hopefully back with some more. Man, that was a squeaker, like I said. 75, 65, but it was true. There was no chop to it. But it was deep, so it was just squeaking in. Like, that's a deep hole. See the pinpointer there. So I didn't live dig it, but oh well. We got her anyway. Okay. It's repeatable, kinda. Jumpy, but it's, the tone sounds good. It's repeatable, and the iron audio, no, a little bit, but nothing too serious. See what it is. Could be buttons. What we got? Small, whatever it is. Not what we're looking for, I would say. No, wait now. Oh, it is what we're looking for. Look at that. Ah, another copper. Oh yeah. This one's really green. Anyway, nice to get that one live this time. Like I said, she was choppy. You gotta dig those ones sometimes because you never know. Oh, let's see. Some skin on here. Smooth it out. Oh, somebody's coming through there. She's got some chunk there. At least get an ID. I think it's going to be Queen Victoria. Let's see here. dry, lots of green on this one. Yeah. Well, the front's pretty smooth, but probably will clean up. Oh, come on. I can definitely see it looks like Queen Victoria, I'm going to call it. Get a spin here. There's something coming through, but see that chunk there? Oh, come on, get out of there. Not sure, we'll be back when we know. Alright, there's the plug. Right where I just got that large and luck. Same kind of signal on the back side. Might have another one. Sure sounds like it. This one sounds better than the last signal. Alright, let's see. Pull my old plug out. So, nothing in there, so it's on this back side, so we gotta make it a little bigger. Nothing in there. Oh. That was back here, but I don't know what that is. Let's see what that is first. Turn this down a little bit. So it's deeper down that way. Let's just, I thought it was over this way, but we're going to take a little bit of this plug off here. Just because that might be a nail, but just not sure yet. That's a little bit bigger. Thought I just got it in here on the pin whip. I've been wrong for it. Okay. See what that does. Right there, that's about where it was on the pinpoint. Okay. Sit there. Okay. There we go. Let's see what we got. There it is, look. Flopped her right out. Another largie of the spill. Ah, this is a great day. It's nice to be back Melee Tech after a winter. Alright, let's get the glove off here. Let's see what we got. You gotta like the spills. Oh, they're crunchy, these ones. You know what? The other ones that come out of this field were not this crunchy, so they were beautiful, but these are a little bit more crunch to them. Oh, we can get an idea of this one, and we'll know what the other one is. Which you guys already do now because you've watched the video. Yeah, crunchy. Oh, we could just see a little bit, we know. You can see who's on the back. It's a real good idea. There's the back side. Alright, well, you'll see in the video. Nice. Love the spills. So, gotta give a shot of the logo of my new hoodie. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but I'll give you a better shot later. Okay. Repeatable anyway. See what it is. Probably trash, but could be button, could be going. At this point, the soil. Oh, you know, I never did give another ground balance from the other field I was at. So, I've got to do that because it could be making the numbers different. The soil mineralization. Okay. On the shovel. Is it? hit it again. That was weird. It's deep. Sounds a little better there now, though. Okay, straight on the side. Don't see anything. I missed it. It must be on its edge or something. Oh, it's out and it's going. Ah, right there. It's another copper. See that? She was jumpy at first, but no scratch. 65, 75, but no scratch, and that's why I dig those babies. Copper number 4. It's so sandy right here. On the other part of the field, the coins came out beautiful, but there wasn't as much like sand. Just different soil than the other side. Yeah, she's a crunchy monkey here, so I don't get anything. Hold up. So right there you can see the dirt mark is where the other 3 were. So copper number 4 plus a 20s penny or something today. 5 coins so far. Alright, coppers are fun to dig. Oh look, you can see the little, the little green impression there off of it. Let's just put the pointer in there. Nothing else. Oh. That one's so weird the way it was up, but it was stuck in the side of the bank, I think, like this. Like that, like straight up and down, like in it like that. But anyway, we found her. Starting to come through there now. Let's see. Canada 19 something. Anyhow, we got one. This turned out to be a fun day. See, the difference here is the coins I found up in the upper part of the field were older, but it was really like really nice soil, like potato soil type thing. These ones seem to be a little bit earlier for date-wise, and they're more of a sandy. So I don't know if they dumped some sand here at one time or something, but I won't know until I clean them up. All right, back with more. All right, a little bit different signal. I don't know, it's a weird signal, but it's smooth, like repeatable, no chunk and no iron. So could be button, could be full tab, could be going at this point. Oh, I forgot the ground balance again. I got to do that before the next video here, before the next find. I'm just getting excited because I got so many coppers now. There, yeah. Oh, cool. That's why I pulled it. That is cool. Look at that sucker. I don't even know what it is. Pretty cool, though. That's old for sure. Fancy. Alright, so we're in a good spot here. Something happened here. We've had oil lamps. We've had drawer pulls. We've had that. 4 coppers now. So let's find a jar of silver coins. Alright, back with more. Alright guys, back again. Sounds like another copper. Let's have a look. That says copper to me all day long. Smooth. Let's hit the iron. No iron. Love those signals. Okay, let's have a look. I just got the fancy whatever it was right there. So right beside it, I'm in a spot of something here where something happened, like an old home site. Well, I know there's an old home site, but that I'm actually on, but it's like, I don't know. Something went on. Okay. In the hole. Oh, look. I haven't even dug. We see there's a green impression. And there's something under here, and I'm gonna guess it's a copper. Still down there. There it is. Flop it. Another copper. Oh boy, what a day. 5 coppers. There she is. Yeah, something definitely went on here. Oh, 1 cent. Ooh, I think that's at 18. Oh, this is 18 or 19. Oh, 9, maybe. If I knew who was on the back, I could tell you for sure. But there's so much on there. Oh, give a driver a sec. 1906. Yep. It's funny because this part of the field, like I said, I'm getting a lot of 1900s coins. And the upper part was all 1800s and Queen Victoria's, real early 1800s. So different things must have been here over the years. That's awesome though. I love digging coppers. Dig them all day. Little shot of the logo with the copper. Hopefully you can see it. Happy camper. But no silver yet. That's fine. I just got the big copper there showing you. Look at this. There is a spoon handle pulling out of there. Now I'm going to pull it out. Oh, it's a fork. A nice old fork. Wow, that's fun. That's an old fork for sure. No markings, I don't think. Nope, just a plain Jane fork, but that's cool. That was a fun find. Especially it was sticking out of the side. Alright,